Welcome to the PC Explorer.
Hi guys, how are you? Hope everyone is doing great. Welcome to the channel The PC Explorer. In last video, I explained what is a computer and the block diagram of a computer with the first and second video. In this video, I will explain what is peripheral devices and the types of peripheral devices, and last coming to the types of computers. Let's get into the video. First of all, what is a peripheral devices? A peripheral devices is something that extra you connect to the computer to do more things like typing, printing or saving the files. For example, you connect a printer to the PC. The printer will be printing something which will be input given by the user. That will be printed the printer. That is called as an peripheral devices. With giving input, we use keyboard. That is also called a peripheral devices. A peripheral devices is something that extra you connect to the computer simply. So coming to the classification of peripheral devices, the peripheral devices are classified mainly three types. First of all, input devices, output devices and the storage devices. Coming to input devices are things you use to inform to the computer like keyboard, mouse, touchscreen, scanner and etc. These are the devices used to give input to the computer or the system. Usually we use keyboard, mouse for the input to the system. So coming to the output devices, after giving to the input to the computer will process the input and gives the output. To see the output, we must and should use a output devices. For example, the monitor and the printer are the examples of the output devices. Coming to the last classification of the peripheral devices, storage devices. We use some extra devices for the storage purpose. For example, we use pen drives, flash drives, memory cards, CDs, DVDs, Blu-rays, discs, etc. for the memory purpose, for storing the data. These also called as some of the peripheral devices to connect to the computer to use the memory. So these are the important types of peripheral devices used in the computer. So coming to the examples, we already tell that input devices are the keyboard, mouse, touchscreen, trackpad, scanner, webcam, microphone. Coming to the output devices, monitor, printer, projector, speaker, headphones, these are the output devices. So coming to the storage, hard disk, solid state drive, SSD, USB flash drive, memory card, extra hard drive, these are the storage type of peripheral devices. So these are the importance of the peripheral devices. Without peripheral devices, we can't do anything to the system. Without peripheral devices, we can't provide input and can't see the output also. Even we can't store anything, we can't process anything. So peripheral devices plays a crucial role in the computing. So coming to the next topic of the video, types of computer. So generally we use number of types of computers. So here I mentioned only 6, not 6, we have more types of computers. So we'll discuss only the important types of computers. So coming to the topic, the first is personal computer. A personal computer is a PCs for general purpose microphones made for individual use. So for a individual use, we use a personal microcomputer. So like PC, some of the personal computer uses for individual purpose. These are the first type of computer. Coming to the second type of computer, desktop. A desktop computer is a personal computer made for regular use and a single location. So desktop contains different of different types of gadgets as monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. Those has a setup. So that setup is have in a desktop. So that can't be changed. That not portable to move one place to another place. So this desktop is the another type of computer. Usually we see the labs in Wheeling College. We use labs. In that labs mostly uses desktop systems for the computing purpose. So coming to the third type of computer, laptop. So in this present generation, everyone, not everyone who affords cost, they can use the laptop for the coding and computing purpose. So these are the third type of computer. So next coming to tablet and smartphones. In this present generation, everyone use the smartphone. The smartphone is the one of the types of computer. Tablet, smartphones, and some of the small types of phones also coming to this type of computer. This is the fourth type. Also handheld computer. These are the one other type of computer. So wearable computers, microcomputer, servers. These are the another topic. Workstations. Workstations are the group of computer connect to a single database or single system. So group of systems will connect to the single system. So for example, if we go to any bank system, so a central bank server will be one, but number of system will be connected to the single system. They work with the according their uses. These are the workstations. So coming to the another computer, mainframe computer. A mainframe computer is a high performance computing system designed to rapidly process the large amount of data, bulk amount of hosts. So when you use mainframe computer, this process the large data sets, zettabytes, terabytes, metabytes of the data will be processed in mainframe computer. Generally YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, their uses mainframe computers, and mainly use mainframe computers for the processing of the videos, audios, and etc. So coming to another type of computer, supercomputer. This is the very high speed of the computer. It performs very lakhs of processing units in a single fraction of seconds. So this is the supercomputer. Usually the supercomputer is a high cost and high performance that complex calculations by splitting tasks into multiple parts and processing them into currently through parallel processing. So this is the supercomputer. It usually use America and Russia. Some of India also developing a supercomputers nowadays. So this is a high level and high cost computers. So these are the important types of computers. So this is the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and this is the informative video. Please like, share and subscribe. Share your opinion in the comment section. So this document will be provided in the description box. Please check it out. So this is the video. See you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.